Hello and welcome to another Fortress Power video. In this video we will talk about how to navigate and understand the ENVI Fortress Power end-user app. First, log in using the credentials created by the installer. Once you log in, you will notice the main dashboard. This is where you'll get an overview of your recent activity. At the center, you will quickly notice the power flow for your energy storage system. The real-time indicators includes power generated from your solar array, power being stored or discharged from the batteries, following percentage of the remaining capacity of the batteries, energy flow to the loads, and finally the current status of the utility grid by portraying the presence of voltage and the frequency. Next, the top area shows the system's energy production, consumption, and the areas where they are allocated. Let's start with the solar yield section. The section shows how much energy has been produced daily and total. By tapping on the section, it will illustrate how your PV power was distributed throughout your energy storage system. For example, in this video, it shows that 12.8% was used to supply to the loads, 22.11% was used to charge the batteries, and 65.1% was used to export back to utility grid. Next, the battery section displays the daily and total discharged energy. Tapping on it reveals both the daily and total charged energy. The next section presents the total energy imported from the utility grid and the total energy exported back to it. These metrics can be cross-referenced with your utility bill to quantify the energy offset and estimate cost savings provided by the system. Finally, we arrive at the consumption section, which displays the daily and total amount of power being used by your loads. Scroll down, and we have arrived at the specifications section. The 8K power rating being displayed refers the inverter model and its firmware version. The next section is the battery specification. Battery parallel number means how many battery modules are installed at the property. Battery capacity shows the total amount of your battery bank capacity in amp hours. Battery limit charge and discharge shows the battery's current limitations being communicated to the inverter. This value can fluctuate due to the following reasons: state of charge, rise or decrease in internal temperature, and adding another battery module to your system. Finally, the bottom section displays the power being drawn in the event of an outage, backup or off-grid scenario, where it displays the AC power per line. Next, you have two charging features. The first one is Start Quick Charge, which enables an 1-hour charge using the utility grid. This is very useful in the event that you want to top off your batteries to prepare for a storm. The second feature is Start Gen Exercise, available in off-grid applications where it allows for the generator to turn on for 20 minutes. In this moment, the loads will not transfer to the generator. Moving on to the data section, under the input and output power graph, you'll find a detailed visualization of power usage distributed over a 24-hour period. Each data source, such as solar production, battery discharge, load consumption, and grid interaction, is represented by a distinct color for easy reference within the chart. By tapping on any specific time point, you can view the precise power values for each source at that moment. Additionally, the chart supports zoom functionality, allowing you to closely examine specific time intervals. This enables users to perform a more granular analysis of power flow, identify usage patterns, and compare system behavior throughout the day. The bottom section gives you a daily breakdown of your system's performance over the month. Each bar represents a day and shows 4 key metrics: solar production, battery discharge, battery charging, and household energy consumption. The color-coded bars make it easy to compare how much energy your system is generating, storing, and using each day. This view helps you spot trends, like days when your solar production exceeded your usage, or when your battery was fully charged. It's a great tool to monitor your home's energy behavior and see how your system is performing over time. In the events section, you can review important system alerts and notifications related to grid connectivity and power quality. Each event log includes the specific device involved, the type of issue, such as no AC connection, voltage out of range, or frequency out of range, along with the exact time and date the event occurred. This helps you track any grid-related interruptions or anomalies that may affect your system's performance. Regularly checking this section allows you to stay informed about your system's stability and ensures you're aware of any conditions that might need attention or follow-up. The User Center is your personal settings hub within the app. At the top, you'll see your device name and how long it has remained online. Helpful for checking system uptime. Tap into the station name and you will arrive at the User Profile section where you can view and manage your account details. Here, you'll find key information such as your username, registered name, email address, country, and time zone. If needed, you can easily update your contact information by tapping the Edit button. You also have the option to change your password securely using the Modify Password feature, and log out of your session at any time. When returning to the previous page, you have quick access to key configuration tools. Notifications. Normal settings. Weather optimize. Notification. Customize which alerts and system messages you'd like to receive, so you're always aware of important updates. You must give notifications permission on your mobile device to use this feature. In the notifications section, you can customize which alerts you'd like to receive to stay informed about your system's performance. At the top, you can toggle notifications on or off entirely. Below that, you'll find specific options, such as Battery SOC %. Alert, get notified when your battery state of charge drops below a set percentage, helping you manage energy reserves proactively. Battery voltage alert, receive an alert if battery voltage falls below your defined threshold. Grid outage notification, be alerted if your system detects a loss of utility power, so you can act quickly if needed. Weather updates notification, enable this to get weather-related alerts that may impact your solar production or system efficiency. Normal setting, use new setting page, toggle between the standard and updated layout for settings, depending on your preference. Set color, choose your preferred display theme or color scheme to customize the interface appearance. Weather optimize, enable or manage weather-based optimization features to help your system perform more efficiently under changing conditions. You must contact Fortress Power Tech Support to have this feature integrated to the app. The system will charge the battery to the set state of charge based on weather status. Thank you for watching this video. Please make sure to like and subscribe to our social media platforms to stay up to date with latest news and developments from Fortress Power. For technical questions, please contact Fortress Power Tech Support. Thanks again.